Welcome back to Jamie Reviews. I am Jameson Michael, and I am back with Lindsay from OnTheRunFit.org. She trains, she coaches, and more importantly, she's the adopted mother of Sadie, who is the official sponsor of this video. So today, I wanted to get back into the budget running models because I'm always reviewing higher end shoes, because that's kind of what I like, most times. But going into 2019, this channel is for the people, and the people want affordable options. And so here we are. This is our review of the Nike Winflo 5. So in the upper, you have an engineered mesh that is very reminiscent of the Nike Pegasus. It feels light on foot and is fairly breathable. It has a bit of a stretch, but nothing too crazy. You also have the Flywire lacing system that seems to work fine. So if it ain't broke, don't break it. The padding of the heel and tongue is about where it needed to be. It's not too plush, but not bare bones either. It was just right. And the overall fit of the shoe was actually nice. It's even a little wider than the Pegasus 35. In a way, they kind of copied and pasted the Pegasus 34 and called it a day. And I'm not mad about it. The midsole maintains the use of Zoom Air within a Cushlon foam. Now Zoom Air has been out for a while, but for me, it still works. Now I couldn't find much info on the kind of zoom unit that this shoe has, but strictly going off the feel of the shoe, it's definitely not full length, and I feel it more towards the heel. And I say that because the shoe lacks that nice roll-off that the Pegasus has. The midfoot cushion was okay, it just didn't have that spring. So if there is a 4-foot zoom unit, it must be a very small one, because the heel cushioning was much more prominent, but the overall ride was decent. I mean, if I knew nothing about running shoes, which apparently I don't, I wouldn't think that this shoe was missing something. Like I said, the ride is not as smooth as a Pegasus, but it's not bad. It's a solid C+. The outsole has a pentagon pattern rubber that once again reminded me of the Pegasus 34. It worked great on just about any normal surface. The shoe has a bit of a flex in the forefoot, which helped the ride of the shoe feel more natural. So yeah, just as good as any other higher priced Nike model. Going faster in this shoe is where the Winflo 5 shined. My turnover in this almost gave me that tempo trainer feel. And longer runs were doable, but just not ideal for us. And the one thing that I want to add on is the overall lightweight feel of the shoe. The Winflo 5 feels like a lighter weight Pegasus 34, minus the 4-foot zoom. And I think you're getting most of what you would get out of the higher cost models. And so even though this is a budget model, I would say that if you're in that market for that first Nike running shoe that is easily found in most stores, don't be hesitant to give this a go.
Well done.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and special shout out to Lindsay and Sadie for coming out of the way for this review. So be sure to give them a follow on the IG. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are only 980,000 away from 1 million, baby! So close, so close. With that said, be sure to stay in school, don't do drugs, and if you can, keep it tight.